So,
how are you sitting like that?
I don't know.
How do you...
What, is it better if I sit like this?
What? How are you doing that?
I don't know what's happening.
How do you not know what's happening?
Those just seem to be... Yeah, I just sit down and it does that.
Actually, I've got a really good idea, so I'm gonna tell Kane something. I'm gonna tell Kane to make us all into animals, so...
No.
Oh.
Go for that then.
When was
Wait,
Gangle
hold on.
here?
I think she was here the whole time.
Grab me back! Kane! I got a little present for you. Don't believe I'm letting Keen do this. Oh god. I do not believe this. So Kane, what do you want me to do? No, Kane, get away from me, Kane. Oh my god. What? I don't really understand what's happening. But I'm really sad that what he done to me.
Oh,
What did he do to you?
Oh, get away.
Oh, buddy, are you
Get
okay?
away from me. I said get away from me!
Hey, wait, Jax,
Hey,
Jax, chill. Chill, Jax, alright. I'm gonna go up there. I'm gonna go have a word with Kane.
He might suck that a little bit.
Okay.
He wanted water. He didn't get the correct water.
Kane, I'm gonna kill you!
Okay. Right. Hey, no.
Hi, Yangle. What you doing? Can you pet me?
Hey!
Mine. You're making me scream.
That went horrendously.
Yeah, I'll try.
Do you
I'll
want to
try
talk
get
to
through.
Kane?
I'll try.
Yeah, I don't think it is.
You try, come on.
Hang on, I'm trying to get up.
I'm a bit too heavy on that.
Yeah.
Hold on, doesn't matter.
Yes. Yes, you big back.
Hey!
Oh. She made him angry.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, don't do that. No. Don't hurt me,
What?
please. You look evil. You look like you're gonna hurt me with the spikes on your gut thing.
You've got spikes in yours.
So what? I like spikes.
I like death.
I like being nice.
Wait, should we just attack her?
Well, you know what? Alright.
Where'd she... Oh.
Hey!
Come here!
Both of yous. Both of yous, calm down. Both of yous.
No.
chill.
I'm gonna eat you!
Maybe
I'm gonna
not.
get you. Nom. She's
You turn into
sucked
that
with it.
Oh.
Nom.
I mean, what is wrong with them? maybe I should have a word with her
Nom.
and try and read.
Come here, you little stupid rabbit! I'm gonna get you!
Try.
Nom.
I'm gonna kill
I'm
you!
doing it.
Yes.
Okay, I'm a bit exhausted. I think I'm gonna give it a rest.
Right, I'm gonna try and bring you back to normal.
You do that. I'm gonna go to sleep.
Sweet. Why can I do this exactly?
I can do this. I think I'm doing the same as you are.
Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up!
I'm
Wake!
awake.
Wake!
Fuck off, I'm awake.
Wake! Hi.
What happened to Palm? Is she also an animal?
What happened to what?
You.
Why are you
No, I
blushing?
didn't tell you animals.
Why is he blushing?
What?
I
I'm not.
I don't know.
I'm not
You are.
blushing.
You were.
Why are you blushing?
I'm not
You are.
blushing.
Sorry, Pomdy,
Why are you
he's
trying
mine
to get
now.
right in my face?
I didn't care about
Come
you.
here. Come here. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss in your hot mouth.
I think we're making bro a bit jealous.
I'm
Yep.
staying here.
I think you scared her.
Mwah. Mwah.
I'm gonna go find evil Pomni.
Mwah.
Actually, any idea on where she could be?
Kane's office.
She's trying to fix us.
Yeah, I like that.
Probably gonna get turned
Like
into a
that
hamster
as well.
style.
She's gonna end up like us.
Yeah, probably.
I
not.
think. Well, I'm gonna just sit here, relax, and just sit and look cute.
So I heard that F.R.A.M is trying No one's gonna listen to me talk about our
I'm here. I'm listening.
You just know
I'm
F.R.A.M,
listening.
the thing that we've been trying to
Yeah.
expose.
Yeah.
Do you know
Where's my
how
block?
Do you know how my vision's supposed to be hacked? Pomni. You know how my vision's
Yeah.
supposed to be streamed?
Save me. Yes, I know. I'm trying to stay alive.
They've changed it. They've made it where the hover now, but get away from Pomni!
No. No.
Look, there's your Pomni.
No. Come here.
He's stupid. Ain't he? Like you.
Not.
Is.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, so F&M's using something called drone mode, like drone camera. So basically what it is, instead of seeing through my PFV, they have like a drone that's connected to us. So basically, yeah, it just hovers around us.
Salut, Pomni. Hello.
Should we all Wait, get all the animals to meet up over there. Come with us. Come with us.
Animal meet and greet.
Animal meeting! Since Gango's not an animal, should we not just attack her?
No,
Why
I feel
did
Yeah.
you try and save us?
Let's kill her! Gango! Ah!
Angle.
Nice.
That's not
not
nice. That's not
Come
cool.
on.
I'm gonna
Come
kill you!
on.
Ah!
Keep it
Ah.
friendly.
Nice.
Don't
Come
touch
on.
me.
Come on.
Shut up.
Jax.
You don't get to attack me like that.
Yeah. No, leave her.
Num.
Ish, can you take a ribbons? Ew! Ew!
No.
Yes.
Ew! Ew!
No.
Ew!
You
Ew!
hit
you
me.
so
Ew.
mean?
Ew! Ew! Ew!
Why
Ew!
you
Ew!
being-
Ew! 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 Ew!
Why are you even
What?
attacking?
Gangle. You can pet me if you want.
I'll be back.
Nibbles, nibbles. Ow!
Fair enough.
Ow!
Leave
Ow.
her
Hey,
alone.
that's mean. Stop it.
Yeah, you're meant to be the evil one. Why are you being so nice now? Is this a little tricky trick you're pulling?
Shut up! I don't think that's nice, Pomni. I think that's evil, Pomni.
You're
Evil
pulling a
Pomni's back.
trick. You're a
You
trick.
better.
You're tricking me.
I'm
Here. Yeah. Why is he crying? Stop being a whiny bitch. Stop being a whiny bitch. Oh shit. I'm sorry. I'm gonna
kill it!
1, 2, 3. Oh, he's got a gun, Joe!
I'm gonna kill you! Can't even grab a gun straight as a bunny. Oh, that's good enough.
I didn't mean it, I swear.
Did she just... Guess my gun.
A hole and I just appeared. And I think
Hit
I
me one
grew
more
a
time and
little
I'll
bit.
attack you.
I think. Hey, Jags, chillax. That right, Jags, chillax.
I'm not eating you
Jags,
alive.
hey, come on, chill. Don't
Come
go
here.
over her. Chill. Stop. 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 Are you gonna stop? Are you gonna stop? Alright. There you go. You're back to your little derpy self. I fell in that hole behind the exit door. And I grew a couple feet. Are you really gonna do that to the bigger person here? Between you and me, I fall in that hole again and I'll be bigger than anyone in this circus. And stronger. Okay, I'm gonna do it again.
Jesus Christ, you are ugly. I made it cry again. Someone help. Stop crying. Stop crying. Stop crying.
I went quiet. What? Where did I go? I don't know where I am. Oh god, I'm getting bigger. Oh god, no. Oh no, that's bad. Oh god, let me oh no. Oh god. Oh. Oh no. So, I think I think I fell in the hole a bit too long.
I didn't ask.
Do you know, I don't like you anymore. So come here!
I'm sorry.
I'm ready. Kill your little thing!
I'll stop. I'll be nice.
I'm gonna crush you!
I'll be nice. I'll be nice. A pinky swear. A pinky swear. A pinky swear. A pinky
Save
swear.
me.
I'm sorry.
Save me.
A pinky swear.
Ah!
Yum, yum, yum.
Ah!
Nom, nom.
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 Nom. No, nom 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 nom
That's
nom.
so
Ah!
No, no.
Nom 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 nom
Real
nom nom
quick,
nom.
stop real quick. She called us gay. Get her.
She told us what?
Nom nom. She called us gay.
You're gay!
Open the door!
Nom nom nom.
Open
Nom
the
nom 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 nom. Get her, get her. She's down the corridor.
No.
If you come near me,
Sweet.
No. 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 No.
So what happened here?
No. 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 Go. Go away.
What happened to you?
Go.
Why?
Your brother.
Because you're not gonna help.
I fell in the abstraction pit. I don't know how, but it made me grow.
Oh
And
god,
wherever,
oh god, oh.
She's not gonna
That's
help you,
what
you
Kane
realise.
meant by me fixing the hole. Oh, I thought he meant. Oh,
So I'm gonna eat her. Nom, 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 nom.
You tell me that.
right! I'm gonna turn all of yous back.
Are you though?
Yes, 3, 2, 1. Oh.
How long does the effects take?
We'll take like 2
Couple
seconds.
seconds, I think.
Few
And
seconds.
she's
Yeah.
just turned back.
Why?
3, 2.
When I'm home, to God it was. Wait, where's Jax? Not that Jax.
I'm
Why
not
is evil
where he
Jax
went.
normal Jax? Oh, there we'll go.
Bunk.
Don't
You
ask
want me to
why I'm in
get-
the outfit.
You just want me to get normal Jax?
Yeah.
Yes.
I don't really know
What
where
do
he
you want
went.
to say? He's your boyfriend?
So, I'm just gonna jump in the obstruction hole, hopefully, sir.
Fine.
I don't really know where he went. Actually, I don't really want to jump in there, to be truthful, so... Be too much pain. I'm lost. Oh,
Yeah.
Oh, what happened to you?
I got lost.
are you
You
okay?
poor
I got
thing.
lost.
Are you
Poor little
okay?
guy.
I'm
Leave him
lost.
alone.
My butt scratches. Oh, okay.
Ew.
I got lost.
What? That's okay. He looks so cute, though.
Don't call me cute. There's no one call me cute.
Don't touch him.
Don't call me cute!
Cute,
I will.
though.
Ah!
All right, all right.
Ah!
You're not. I give up. I ceased.
Come on.
I ceased.
Come on.
You're very, very scary.
Come on.
I think
I
wherever
might be able to
Enoch
lure
went,
him.
we're gonna have to think this through, because
Come here.
if
You
Enoch
okay?
isn't here, what are we gonna do?
Come
I
here.
think he's just having a little mental episode here.
Come here. It's not working.
He turned goofy.
You made him cry. How do you feel about that, Scottish Jax?
Nope, he's
You made
eating.
him cry?
He's eating.
Is he?
See?
What is he eating?
Yeah, he was hungry.
Oh,
That didn't make him cry.
it sounded like he was crying.
I
Pizza!
want a little collar. Why don't you get me a collar? What?
Whoa.
What's the topic? Oh no, I thought you were gonna
Hey.
attack me there.
Oh, fine.
Come
I
here.
don't like this one.
Mwah.
Going. Oi.
He's mine.
No.
You're a good little
Back
guy,
off.
aren't you?
Get your greasy hands off me.
Hitting girls is crazy.
He is one
Imagine that.
himself, so he cannot say much.
No woman that.
My woman died.
Abuse.
Oh,
Abuse me. He's on.
He's ascending. He's ascending. He's leaving the circus, I think.
Are you alright?
Okay.
Are you?
Daniel, don't shoot him. Don't shoot him. It's not
I
sniping.
think we have to. I think we have to put him out of his misery. He doesn't look too good.
Hey, no.
You can't. Are you really gonna take a bullet for him? Fine.
Yes.
Put the gun out there. Just Shit!
Yeah.
Bang!
Where's my gun?
Oh, what? Attacking with me, Ruby.
Huh?
No! Bang!
I don't know what happened.
I don't know what to bang.
I'm terrified.
I blacked out. Why do you have a Tommy gun? I blacked out and I don't know what happened. Why do you all have guns?
Shell fell. Oh my god.
You're gonna go with the others now, or I will pull the trigger.
Pull the trigger!
Yeah!
What happened? Because I went to Kane, I blacked out, and then I woke up there.
Well, here's your gun back.
I blacked out.
Made me cry.
I went to Kane.
He's
I
made me
blacked out.
cry.
Guys, I blacked
Go
out after I went to
away.
Kane.
You made me cry.
What did I? What happened?
Bang!
You all just
Go
wanna.
away,
myself
I'm crying.
inside.
Right, you two go to bed in here.
crying.
We're going to bed.
Go away.
But
What idiots on there? Pom pom. Pom pom. You gotta tell me what happened that one day. Where's room? Really?
I'm stuck behind the door.
I cleaned my mirror.
No,
Good
no.
night. How do you lie down again? Oh, we're in bed, don't worry. I don't know, I kind of blacked out too long. Well, I'm in a maid outfit, I can't be bothered changing to be truthful. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night. That's all, freaks.
and
Stand up then, loser.
oh, that was
You
a bit too low there. That was
That's all, freaks.